Hi everyone. In last lecture, complete the concept of virtual ground, inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier, and voltage follower circuit. Okay. And today start now the new article is the summing and subtracting amplifier. Summing and subtracting amplifier. Okay, that means the adder and subtractor. Okay, in that the summing amplifier is built from inverting, non-inverting and differential configuration. Okay, summing amplifier, that means the adder or addition in the input voltage built from the inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier, differential configurations. Okay, but subtracting amplifier is only built from the differential configuration. Okay, that means summing amplifier, okay, or adder, addition of the input different voltages. Okay, this circuit is built from the inverting operational amplifier or inverting configuration, non-inverting configuration of operational amplifier, as well as the differential configuration operational amplifier. Okay, in a summing amplifier or adder. But in the subtracting amplifier is not built from in the inverting, non-inverting configuration of a operational amplifier. Here used only one of the built from the differential configuration. Okay, that means here used in a both input signals in a differential configuration, inverting as well as non-inverting. Okay, not only for the inverting or not only for the non-inverting configuration of operational amplifier. Okay, here see now the inverting configuration in a summing amplifier. Okay, summing amplifier, that means the adder, addition of the different input signals here used in a inverting configuration of operational amplifier. Okay, here figure shows this configuration with three inputs. Okay, connected in a three different inputs. See the figure, phi A input, phi B input and phi C input. Different three inputs, phi A, phi B and phi C. Okay, depending on the relationship between the feedback resistor REF. Here used feedback resistor. Output is connected to the input through the resistor. This resistor is called as a feedback resistor. Here resistor, feedback resistor used in a RF. Okay, this relationship input voltages phi A, phi B and phi C. This relationship depends on the between the feedback resistor REF and the input resistor used in a input resistor. Input voltage is supply input voltage is connected through the different input resistors. Okay, here used a RA, RB and RC. Okay, shows the circuit, acts as a summing amplifier. Okay, here RA resistor apply the phi A input voltage, RB resistor apply the phi B input voltage, RC resistor here apply the phi C input voltage. Okay, this function is verified by taking the expression for the output voltage phi 0. Here output voltage goes to the phi 0. Okay, here figure shows the phi A, phi B, phi C, different three inputs voltage are the positive. Okay, through the RA, RB and RC resistor. Okay, and current flowing these different resistors IA, IB and IC. IA current flowing through the RA resistor, IB current flowing through the RB resistor, IC current flowing through the RC resistor. Show the figure. Okay, then here in a inverting terminal. Okay, inverting terminal here phi 2 in a voltage 2, input voltage 2 and phi 1 is the one of the input voltage phi 1. Okay, here total current is considered here the I capital B 2. Okay, here current flowing through the R small a, I small b and I small c. Okay, and total current is the IB 2, that is the phi 2 input, and here IB1 is the approximately 0. Okay, in the input voltage Phi1. Okay, here ROM resistor used in a non-inverting terminal. This resistor is grounded. Okay, and this resistor is the parallel to the RA parallel RB parallel RC parallel RAF. Okay, ROM, this resistor is the RA parallel resistor, RB parallel, RC parallel, and feedback resistor RF. Okay, and here current flowing through the feedback resistor is a IF, amount of the current flowing through the feedback. Okay, and output voltage gives to the V0. Okay, this type of the circuit is acts as a summing amplifier. Okay, that means the output goes to the sum of the input different voltages, currents, and resistors. Okay, here this V0 is obtained by the applying the Kirchhoff's current equation. Okay, here output voltage is obtained by the applying the Kirchhoff's current equation at the node Phi2. Okay, from the equation gives to the equation in at a node Phi2. Okay, what is the Kirchhoff's current equation or Kirchhoff's current law? In that Kirchhoff's current law is the flowing the input, sum of the input voltages is equal to sum of the output voltages. Okay, flowing through the all over circuit. Okay, here in a current equation, Kirchhoff's current equation at a node Phi2. Okay, here figure shows the at a node Phi2. Here equation gives to the input current IA plus IB plus IC. Okay, these are the input currents at a node Phi2 is equal to output current is the IB. B is the capital. Okay, that means the total current of the input current, that means the IB plus IF. IF is the feedback current. Okay, so therefore here therefore the R and A of the op-amp are ideally infinity. Okay, that means the gain and resistor of the operational amplifier are ideally infinity. So IB current is equal to 0. IB current, input current, is equal to 0, and Phi1 is equal to Phi2 is equal to 0 volt. Here Phi1 is equal to Phi2 is equal to 0 volt. So right now the equation IA plus IB plus IC is equal to IF. Here IB is equal to 0 and V1 is equal to V2 is equal to 0. So here right now the IA, IB and IC. Okay, IA current, IB current, IC current and feedback current. Here right now the IA current is flowing through the input VA voltage minus V2 upon RA resistor plus VB voltage minus V2 voltage upon RB resistor plus VC voltage minus V2 upon RC resistor is equal to feedback current is the V2 voltage minus V0 output voltage upon the RF feedback resistor. Okay, so here right now the V2 minus V2 minus V2 minus V2 minus V2 here cancel now. So right now the equation is the VA upon RA plus VB upon RB plus VC upon RC is equal to minus V0 RF. Okay, here right now the minus V0 RF. Okay, so therefore output voltage V0 is equal to, right now the output voltage V0 is equal to minus, here right now the RF upon RA, VA plus RF upon RB, VB plus RF upon RC, VC. Okay, all of the got it the output voltage V0 is equal to minus in bracket RF upon RA feedback resistor upon input RA resistor into voltage VA plus RF resistor upon RB resistor into voltage VB plus RF resistor upon RC resistor into voltage VC. Okay, here if we choose in above circuit, okay, here choose the above circuit as the RA is equal to RB is equal to RC is equal to R. Here consider now the RA resistor is equal to RB resistor is equal to RC resistor is equal to R. Okay, then the output voltage V0 is equal to minus RF upon R, minus RF upon R. So here RA, RB and RC is equal to R. So RF upon R in bracket VA plus VB plus VC. VA plus VB plus VC. This means that output voltage is equal to the negative sum of all the inputs. Okay, output voltage is equal to the negative sum of all the input times the gain of the circuit RF upon R. Okay, so output voltage is equal to minus, that means the negative sum of the input voltages here VA, VB and VC. Okay, and gain of the circuit in this total circuit gain is the RF upon R. Hence the circuit is called as a summing amplifier. Okay, this circuit is called as a summing amplifier. Summing means the sum of the input voltages, okay, and gain of the circuit. Okay, obviously when the gain of the circuit is 1, obviously in this circuit gain is the 1, that is the RA is equal to RB is equal to RC is equal to RF. That means the input resistor is equal to RB, input resistor is equal to RC, input resistor is equal to feedback resistor RF. The output voltage is equal to, the output voltage is equal to negative sum of the input, negative sum of the input. That means the output voltage V0 is equal to minus in bracket sum of the input voltages here. Right now the VA plus VB plus VC. Okay, V0 is equal to minus VA plus VB plus VC. The input VA, VB and VC. Here input VA, VB and VC may be either as AC or DC. May be either as the AC or DC. The circuit are commonly used in analog computers and audio mixture. Okay, that means here used input different voltages, either AC or DC voltage. Okay, either do not the fixed AC or DC, either AC or either DC. Okay, so in this type of the circuit is commonly used in analog computers. Okay, and audio mixtures. Okay, here used in audio mixture, that means audio signal, combine the audio signal mixture. Okay, so in figure offset minimizing resistor, offset minimizing resistor ROM here used in this circuit to minimize the offset of input bias current on the output offset voltage. Okay, here used in a non-inverting terminal V1, used in a one resistor. This resistor is grounded ROM. This resistor is used in here the used to the minimize the offset of the input bias current, minimize the offset of the input bias current on the output offset voltage. Okay, so these are the common complete article is the inverting configuration here used in a summing amplifier. Okay, खूप सिंपल आर्टिकल आहे हे. याच्यामध्ये इन्व्हर्टिंग कॉन्फिगरेशन यूज केले. दॅट मीन्स इनपुट हे कशाला कनेक्ट केलेले तर इन्व्हर्टिंग टर्मिनल, ऑपरेशनल ॲम्प्लिफायरच्या इन्व्हर्टिंग टर्मिनलला डिफरंट इनपुट हे अप्लाय केलेले. अँड फीडबॅक इज कनेक्टेड टू द ऑल्सो हिअर इन अ इन्व्हर्टिंग terminal. So these are the total inverting configuration. It is called as a summing amplifier. So output is gives to the sum of the different input voltages and total circuit gain. Okay, I think all of the got it. This article खूप सिंपल आर्टिकल आहे. याच्यामध्ये काहीही अवघड नाही आहे. I think this article is here completed. So stop here. Thank you all of you.